So today I'm reviewing the iPhone 17 SE and helping you decide if it's the best affordable Apple gift for this coming holiday season. But before we get into the full breakdown, here's something surprising. If your old iPhone keeps lagging, freezing, or losing battery way too fast, there's one hidden feature on the iPhone 17 SE that fixes all three instantly. I'll show you that in just a moment. Now, just a quick important note. Apple has officially discontinued the iPhone SE series and replaced it with a new budget line starting with the iPhone 16e, launched in early 2025. There are currently no confirmed plans or rumors for an actual iPhone 17 SE model. But for the purpose of this review, we're looking at what SE successor experience would realistically feel like for a budget-conscious Apple user. Now, let's go back. iPhone SE model, what would be the SE experience today? Feels anything but budget. You're getting faster A17 chip, better battery life, improved camera processing, and a brighter display. All in the classic compact design people still love. Here's a transformation moment. You can literally upgrade from a 5-year-old device, transfer everything in minutes, and suddenly your photos are sharper, apps load instantly, and the battery lasts all day, even if you're a heavy user. Now, let's go back to the hidden feature for most SE devices Apple has. I mentioned earlier, this SE style includes Apple's new adaptive performance mode, which automatically balances speed and battery depending on what you're doing. That means less lag, fewer crashes, and way better battery health over time without you changing any settings. Is it perfect? Not really. So is a iPhone SE device worth it? If you want fast performance, great battery life, and that signature Apple experience without paying pro prices, yes. It's the best affordable iPhone style option for this year. If you want a full setup tutorial or camera test, drop a comment and don't forget to like, subscribe for more simple US tech reviews.